Hi guys, it's Jackie from the basement. Happy with the Twist Acrylic Pours Plus. I hope everybody's doing great this Saturday evening. And as you see, we have a marble here on a 10 by 10. So we're going to see if we can do another marble roll. Let's set it here for the moment. And we have a cup, and I want to put some colors into here. I have a color scheme I'd like to try. Oh goody. The black is in here. Yay. Oh, there's the cup I used last time. Never mind. Excuse the mess over here. My apologies if you can see that. Okay. Oh, you're not seeing as much. Okay. Yay. Alrighties. Let's start out with a little bit of black. And I'm going to need something to prop things up here. That's the chair. Alrighty. What is this one? Turquoise. I just love turquoise. Okay. So we want to try and pour it down the side. Okay, the plan I have is I want to do some purples, violets, violet, and green and black. And if I can find it, which I should have looked before, I want to find the yes, the glow in the dark. Yes, we're going to incorporate that in there as well. So, we're going to be using Amsterdam Violet. Yeah, it's been a while since I've done this. I did horrible ones when I first tried it. Absolutely horrible. Alright, we're going to put some. I think, what kind of a green is this, guys? Remind me. Dang it. We're going to be putting a green into here. There's a mixture of a couple. Alright. Now we're going to try some of the Folk Art Glow in the Dark. It's been a while since I used this. Okay. Please come out nicely. Maybe. Maybe not. Let me shake it up just a little bit more. Okay. Try that again. Alrighty. Not going to cooperate, is it? So, if you've watched me before, you know what I gotta do. I gotta whack it on the table. Yep. Not being violent, that's my share. Just need to break the seal here. Alright. And that's not even working. Yes, it did. Okay, yay. Whew. A bunch of dry crap around here. That's not good. Alright, we don't want that in our painting, do we? Not necessarily, no. Alright. Just gotta be cautious about this. Not put too much in there at once. Alright. This seems to be the last day of the heat here in the fort. Thank you, Lord. Putting more black into here. Now we're going to use the Artist Loft Neon Violet. I don't think there's much in here. I'm not putting anything in here that's going to create cells, am I? Okay, rethinking. Okay. Go with the green again. on. Do we want to use maybe a little bit of silver? Let's try a little bit of the metallic silver by Artist Loft. No, stay on there. Thank you. All right. Now we'll go with some green. Okay. Thank you for not running away. Now some more of the glow in the dark. Oh, that was a bit. Why not? Why not? More of the black. I just realized I'm doing this on a 10 by 10. Do I really need that much? I don't think so. Okay. Alright, let's put one more little dab-a-doo of the green. Bloop. Alright. Just fall. That's okay. You can fall. I prefer you don't. Well, my nose itches. Gonna kiss a fool. Put this back here. Alrighty. And roll up those sleeves. You know what I didn't do, guys? I did not check. I haven't been checking the dang level of things. Okay, that seems pretty decent. That seems pretty decent. Okay, we're good. We good. Alright. Place that in what I consider the center at the moment. And we're going to do a little tringy-ringy. I'm liking the colors. I only put that one little bit of silver in there, didn't I? Dang it. Ooh, that came out like a clump. Well, this may be good, it may be bad. We will find out. I might have wanted more paint. Now that I see this. Dang it. It's like the never-ending drip. Never-ending. But we are going to stop it here. Here we go. For my next trick, let's torch this. Is the, yes, the cap is on there. I too am amazed I didn't set this on fire. Okay. And here we go, guys. Let's see what happens. Seems to be a little bit hesitant. I don't blame it. I don't blame it. Whoopsie-doo. Oh, I got too much crap on my way down here, guys. Too much. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Should know better. Yes, I should have. I still see a lot of bubbles in there. That's all right. We can take care of those. Oops. All right. I think we're just going to go ahead and let it drop off. And now we're going to stretch it out. Oh, we're going to get messy again. This could look quite masculine, couldn't it? Okay, there's going to be paint on the back of it. I'm sorry. Let's get this a little flow down there. Maybe. Okay. I'm trying not to touch anything. Alrighty. Okay. Set it down. And somehow I'm going to put you on pause. Somehow. Oh, good. Yeah, just run your finger across there. And I will be right back after I get my hands washed. Hangy ho. Okay, we are back. I hope. Okay. 1 second here. I woke up this morning and I was just so swollen. I had to take my rings off. No, the boyfriend and I are still together. Okay. Yes, that went on a lot better. All right, let's torch again. And I already did the sides. And there's the marble. I could have washed that, couldn't I? I'm not real sure why it's raised up over here. Should we dig around with the tweezers or just let it be? Okay, I have the tweezers right here. Let's find out what this is. Keep a steady hand. Oh, that was a funky gunk, which kind of messed up the pattern a little bit. But okay, that should be okay now. Alrighty, let's hope. Bring you down for a close-up, and I thought I just got myself washed. Anywho. And I need you to put your helmets and seatbelts on, please. Just wiping us on the apron. There we go. Alrighty. Here we come. Here we go. Deep, deep, deep. And alright, let's see what we got here. Ooh, looky there, looky there. Ooh. Okay. It will be interesting to see how it dries with the glow in the dark in there. That's a pretty spot. Okay. I think I'm liking this color combo. I kind of wanted a little bit more black, but you get what you get, you know. Okay. Alrighty, guys. wow. I want to thank you for joining me this Saturday evening. And I hope you have a wonderful weekend and a great week ahead. And if you haven't yet, that was my chair. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. Hit the notification for all. And, yeah, you'll get you can find me again. Yes, you can. And also go ahead and sign up for my second channel. It will be in the description. I do some strange stuff over there. Yes. I do, what is it? Well, I do gaming over there. Yeah, nothing big gaming. It's like what they call playables from YouTube. And I'll sometimes bring up some topics and maybe discuss them, but I do have a video I definitely want to play. If the gals want to get on there with me, of a police chase in California 2 years ago. It was freaking awesome. I woke up to it a couple, 3 days ago. And it's like, oh, damn, this is good. The guy used 3 different cars. You just gotta see it. You gotta see it. That will be on the second channel with commentary. So I see things are moving. There is a princess here. Hey, can I find it? I don't know if I can or not. Oh, and Okay, I'm still trying to find it. It is right there. Oh, okay, yeah, you can see it, kind of. This isn't like real. It's kind of going in and out, isn't it? I am sorry about that. Wow. Anywho, the princess here is moving. So, yes. All right, guys. You take care. Thank you for coming by. Give this video a thumbs up if you think it deserves it. Tell all your friends. Tell your family. And we will see you next time on Happy with a Twist, Acrylic Pores Plus. Bye-bye for now, guys. Bye.